In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Facebook username. You know very well that in this channel, we just dive right into the content. Okay, once you log into Facebook app, whether using Android or iPhone, click on your profile picture to the right. Then you will see the gear icon at the top. Just click on it. Okay. Give it some time to load. Then after doing this, you will see the Meta account center at the top. Just tap on it. Okay. After doing this, be very careful to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay. Now you'll want to click on profiles. You will see various profiles. Now choose the account where you want to see the username. Let's assume I want to see the username for the first account here at the top. I'll need to click on the arrow here. Then I will click on the arrow under username. You will see name, username, profile picture, and avatar. Now I just want to click on this arrow under username. You can see very well that I can see the username for this account. If you don't see the username, it means that you've not set the username. Just set it and save. Thank you.